At Sagify, we believe that when faculty grow, institutions and students grow with them. We are delighted to have successfully completed our 7-day faculty development program at Neville Wadia Institute of Management Studies and Research, Pune. Through interactive sessions and hands-on activities, faculty members explored artificial intelligence, prompt engineering, smart content creation, and digital assessments. The program combined expert-led on-campus sessions with self-paced digital learning, enabling participants to learn, create, and demonstrate practical outcomes. We sincerely thank the director, program coordinator, faculty members, and the entire Neville Wadia team for their enthusiastic participation and support. This successful collaboration reflects our shared commitment to innovation, faculty excellence, and future-ready education. Sagify now invites colleges and universities across India to conduct practical, outcome-focused FDPs. Let us empower educators and transform learning together. Sagify, AI-powered education for a future-ready India.